Good morning from the Magic Kingdom. So I thought this is a perfect, beautiful spot to start our sort of like mini vlog series. We finally settled in. Travel day was really hectic, and yesterday we were all exhausted, and so we've now finally finding our feet and settling in. So we thought we'd start a mini vlog series, and where better to start it than Magic Kingdom. So yeah, full day at Magic Kingdom today with Disney Springs in the evening. So we want to take you guys with us, so keep watching. Had a busy morning here in Magic Kingdom. We hit rope drop straight away. We've done Big Thunder, we've done Splash Mountain, we've done Space Mountain, so hit up all the mountains except one, Seven Dwarfs. Got a fast pass for that later on. Just done Carousel of Progress for the first time. It was cool, it was really cool, I liked it. A classic, educational for Harry, but we're having a fantastic morning here so far. Yeah, next up, Haunted Mansion. Time for Under the Sea. Under the Sea.
Cry again.
Really wowzers, it's hot. Wow, no other word. Wow. Had a great day today. Been to Magic Kingdom and Disney Springs. Absolutely exhausted, but fabulous time. I hope you've enjoyed the first of our mini vlog series. Don't forget to tune in tomorrow. We're heading off to Animal Kingdom and Epcot. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click that like and subscribe button. Ding that bell.
Butter.
If you want to start correcting it, you start doing it.
Click that like button.
Don't forget to click that like button, ding the bell for notifications, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.
Bye-bye.